Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, July 24th. As many of you know, I was kind of in and out of the office today. Had a busy household here, so I really didn't get to focus on trading. My apologies. But from some of the DMs I got, it doesn't sound like it was a lot of action anyway. It's probably a good day to be sidetracked. I'll be back at it full time tomorrow. Let me slide this over for new faces in chat. Please pause the video and read that. And I am just going to go right into stocks I'm going to be watching tomorrow for hopefully some A-plus intraday setups, right? MIRA had that crazy move yesterday, quiet inside day today, looking for a possible third day play. SAVA had that nice pop yesterday, beaten up daily chart, but sold off a little bit, but on much lower volume. We might turn back up tomorrow, so I'm watching for that. CMAX, kind of the same thing, big pop yesterday, quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play. CJET, pretty good volume for that stock. I'm closing well off its highs, but put it on my radar, right? So we're going to keep an eye on it. SERV announced an offering after this 2 crazy days, and it actually held up pretty darn well. So it's going back on watch. BNED, volume's already dried up on it, but still, you kind of, if you zoom in, this was a big day, right? It went from a low of 820 to a high of 1114. And now it's kind of flagging and starting to curl back up. So when you zoom in, you can kind of see it. But again, it feels like not that many people are watching it, right? Because almost never hits 1 million shares. So anyway, goes on watch. MEIP, another big pop and an inside day with a fairly strong day. It's a green one anyway, closing above its open. IRBT, is that iRobot? Popped back here. What was the high? 1451, and you kind of have this long cup and handle. It did actually break this recent high right here today. But anyway, the chart to me looks bullish. So we'll see if we get an A-plus intraday long setup in it, right? VFC, nice pop back here and flagging. Deserves a shot to be on the watch list. NVAX also had a nice 3 or 4 day run, pulled back and is right back up near those recent highs. LPA, again, obscure, and this would be the last day I'll probably have it on bounce watch. I zoom in again. So it still had a nice run from the 8s all the way to 32. I mean, that's an amazing move. And then the volumes just tapered off, and we're getting, a bunch of sequential red days since then. And haven't even come close to trading this since I started watching it for a turn back up, because it hasn't come close to giving any kind of a setup. But you never know. Tomorrow, maybe we get one. NAAS, a really nice run from here to here, and now we got a few days lower on declining volume. I am putting that one on bounce watch for tomorrow. IVP, I don't know. I don't love this because it's down below the 8, it's down below the 20, but it still had a big move from $1.30 some to over 15, and you got 3 days in a row now that it's really sold off hard. So we could still get a snapback bounce in that one. And I'm a day trader, so that's what I'm looking for. And then this thing, I don't know what happened here. FLYE, this is, I guess it's only been trading since June. And then today, the bottom just fell out. And I could not, as far as I know, anyone on social media, no one in chat, nobody could find news. So that's pretty sketchy. So I certainly don't pile in saying, oh, it's oversold. But I am going to watch it for a bounce play tomorrow if we get a setup. Again, no idea what's going on there. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the pre-market. We'll work together and build a list of morning gappers as well, and hopefully catch some trades tomorrow. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.